Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching on how to tell time in Zulu. Kusihlwa. Kusihlwa. Kusihlwa means in the evening. Ebusuku. Ebusuku. Ebusuku means at night. Namuhla. Namuhla. Namuhla means today. Izolo. Izolo. Izolo means yesterday. Kusasa. Kusasa. Kusasa means tomorrow. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.